everyone. Loveleen here, personal development life coach and a creator of Mindful Talks. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. Thank you for connecting and tuning in. Today, in this particular video, I'm going to talk on a topic, and the topic is what is self-love or what is self-care. जब हम सेल्फ केयर या सेल्फ लव की बात करते हैं, there are further few questions जो हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं, and these questions are: why self love is so important? What is self love? Is there any specific age for self love, or you can say, is it mandate to do self introspection? And in this video, I'm going to discuss all these topics. Self-love means a free mind, a free will, where you live your life to experience it and you don't care much about the outcome, where you evolve yourself with the present moment, and when you start thinking about your own growth, your own self, and in a very simple language I can say, when you start thinking about I, me and myself. When I talk about I, me and myself, the question arises in our mind, what is so important in our life? हमारी लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है? That is existence of whom? हमारी खुद की अपनी existence. जब हम अपनी खुद की existence की बात करते हैं, then we can easily correlate with I, me and myself. Yes, being alive, being living in the present moment, and be who you are, be your real self, be your authentic self. This is when we can associate with I, me and myself. I, me, myself means when you love yourself for who you are, when you accept yourself the way you are, when you stop comparing yourself, when you stop expecting the validation of other person to know your worth, when there is no competition, when you have the mindset that nobody can complete you, you just need you to complete yourself, when you accept yourself, when you accept your flaws, when you accept your personality the way you are. Self-love is a very important mindset. When you think about self-care, your mind runs in a very vast way. You think yourself as a whole being. You love your existence. You think you exist. That is why you can feel everything around you. If you are living in a present moment, you are alive. That is the best thing that can happen to you. Real self-love is when you stop comparing yourself. You don't require validation. And sometimes you go alone for a coffee, for a drink, for a dinner, for a movie. There's nothing bad in it, because sometimes I, me and myself is also very important in life. You don't need people all the time around you. Sometimes self-introspection is very important, where you spend couple of hours with yourself. Self-love means when you set boundaries for yourself, when you start saying no to certain things just to please people, just to fit in someone's life, just to fit in some group. Only then you realize who are your real people. Self-love doesn't mean that you have to please somebody just to be in good terms with them. Not at all. Self-love means when you accept for who you are, where you can give your opinion openly, where you express yourself openly without any fear, without any pressure, and you express yourself as a human being, as an individual. The very important aspect I learned from my experience of life is the most important thing in your life is you, your moment, present moment, being alive. The most important aspect that I have learned from the experience of my life about self-care and self-love is that what is so important for me. The only thing which I think and I can relate is that is I, me and myself. Living in the present moment, being alive, where I can experience everything around me. What if I die? People can remember me for a day, for a week, for a year, what after that? But the best moment about me is who I am. I as a person, my being as a person. I'm present in this moment. This is the most important aspect of life that I have learned. Because when you stop comparing yourself with people, when you stop validation from the other people to accept you, that is the first step towards self-care and self-love. You can't develop this habit in a day, in a week, or in a month. You require a strong willpower, a strong dedication to accept the present moment, to accept for who you are, to live in the real life of who you are, where you have no pressure of the outside world, where you live your life to experience it and you start evolving your process. And I call it a now moment. When I say now moment, the present moment, where I am alive, where I can think 1,000 things, where I can think to change myself, where I can think of my growth, where I can think anything about myself which is important for my own self. Self-love, how deeply you connect to your own self, your essence of your own connection with you. When you live, you feel, you enjoy, you live in the present moment of your life. You celebrate every day of your life for who you are. When you love yourself, not accepted by the validation of other people, but for who you are. Be you, your real authentic self. You being as an individual. This is the time when you start thinking about the self-love and you start thinking about self-care. Self-love is not being selfish. Self-love is very important aspect of our life that we can start at any point, at any age in our life. Because it always starts with your mindset. You feel from your core, you feel from your heart, you feel from your soul when you really want to connect yourself, when you really want to know your deep self, your deep love for yourself. When you think in that direction, you are going toward the first step for self-love and self-care. I believe self-love and self-care is an important aspect for every individual. It is must for every individual because here you get the chance to spend some time with you, to do some kind of self-introspection where you get to know about your flaws, your weaknesses, your positive points, your capability, your potential, and it is must for each and every human being. Self-love is not being selfish at all. It is your journey with your deep core and your inner soul where you connect yourself with yourself, and it is must for each and every individual. If you like my thought process, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Stay blessed and stay happy.